Then they announced they had a brand new plan. The plan was to purchase 10,000 Bitcoin. And I was like, what? Like, where did that come from? How did that transpire from you only buying $1 million before? To be clear, 10,000 Bitcoin is an astronomical amount of Bitcoin. A couple of weeks later, they announced their plan for next year. So the 10,000 is this year. They want for next year, they want to raise they want to buy and own 21,000 Bitcoin. That in and of itself is like, you guys are a little crazy. Like, that's a huge amount, keeping in mind the finiteness of Bitcoin and 21,000 Bitcoin basically being taken off the table for the wealthiest people on the planet. Not even adding to the fact that the average person on this planet right now cannot afford 0.01 Bitcoin. Are you understanding how like insane this actually is when we keep hearing these numbers? If MicroStrategy has 600,000 Bitcoin, the average person does not have $1,000 to be able to throw into Bitcoin to even have 0.01. Metaplanet just announced, after their other previous $2 million, $3 million, $4 million Bitcoin purchases, they've announced that they are now positioning themselves as a Bitcoin treasury company. They are going to be issuing and selling 555 million shares of their company, and something relatively similar to what MicroStrategy has been doing. MicroStrategy issues stock or issues debt against the company and like a way to raise money quickly, and then they'll pay back their investors over the course of a period of time. Many of MicroStrategy's dues, like they have to pay back, are in 2027, 2028, 2029, when the original companies are going to be paid back. So they're doing this in a way that they're going to raise money from the 555 million shares. Remember the numbers I was telling you before? The 3 millions and the 2.1 millions? They've announced that they are going to be raising 5.4 billion US dollars. You do not go from 1, 2, 3, 4 million to then announcing that you're raising 5.4 billion US dollars without knowing something. The risk is far too high. It's one thing if you are issuing debt against your company and you owe someone else $1.28 million. It's another thing when you owe them $100 million. It's a real another thing if you owe them $1 billion. If you are trying to take out $5.4 billion to buy more Bitcoin, their current goal is to accumulate 210,000 Bitcoin within the next year and a half. That's 1% of all the Bitcoin that there would ever be.